Welcome to Sweeten, your local food marketplace built for home cooks, bakers, and flavor creators like you. On Sweeten, you can reach nearby food lovers, set your own schedule, and grow your business all from your own kitchen. Let's start with your profile. This is where you tell your story. Add your chef name, a short bio, and a friendly photo, something that shows off your personality. Customers love knowing who's behind the food. Next up, payments. Before customers can place an order, you'll need to connect your account securely with Stripe, our trusted payment partner. It only takes a few minutes, and once you're set, your earnings go straight to your Stripe account where you can choose between manual or automated withdrawal. Now, set your pickup times. Choose the days you're available, add the hours, and enter your pickup address. You can even leave instructions like ring the bell by the gate, anything that makes pickup smooth for your customers. Ready to show off your specialties? Add menu items with beautiful photos, clear descriptions, ingredients, and pricing. Don't forget to tag allergens so everyone knows what's safe for them to enjoy. Pro tip: natural light and simple plates make your dishes shine. When an order request comes in, you'll get notified in the app. Just tap to confirm, prep your food, and mark it ready for pickup when it's good to go. After your customer picks up and confirms, your payout is sent directly to your account. Whether you're testing a side hustle or growing a full-fledged business, Sweeten gives you the tools to start simply and grow steadily. We can't wait to see what you'll cook up.